Okay, good morning, YouTube. It's Tuesday, December 27th, and I did not get any editing done yesterday. It was one of those days where after I washed the truck, the dog, oh, yes, the dog sees the delivery person delivering things. Dogs. It is currently 9:35, and I need to get a video edited and uploaded before noon so I can release it at noon. So I had to reboot my computer because, you leave them running for too long and they get kind of wonky. Especially for editing videos, I found like you need every last resource. So it's still wonked out. What is going on? Let's get this video edited, get it uploaded, and then I don't know what else we're gonna do today. Maybe do some filming or something. Yeah, we'll see how today goes.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
All right. I guess I'm now gonna start editing. It is almost 11 o'clock. I just had a phone call about one of our cars, so it ended up being a very lengthy phone call, which is fine. But this is the joys of trying to run multiple sections of the business with only two people. So anyway, all right, now I'm going to edit, get that video done. Whew. So one thing that's nice about vlogs is that they're very easy to edit. I just edited 2 vlogs. Now they're rendering, so we should be all set to go. It takes care of today and probably tomorrow or something. I don't know. The problem is I'm trying to figure out like when to release vlogs versus when to release like normal videos. So I still have to film some normal video stuff, but just getting the vlogs out for today. They're easy to edit. It's just, you're just kind of showing your stuff throughout the day, so you don't have to worry about like, oh, did I get like this important piece of content that's relevant to how to work on this car? It's like, whatever. Just did some stuff today. Hey guys.
What's up?
Josh is here. We've been working. We had a little bit of an incident today. We'll talk about it in another video.
Yeah.
We're not gonna talk about today. It's whatever. So we've been working, trying to get the website set up. We're actually gonna do a new car website, so it should be good for the cars for sale.
Probably have it live in like a week or so.
Yeah.
It's just better for the car sales stuff.
Yeah, because we got to find better solutions. Oh, yes, the dogs won't leave us alone today. There you go. See, we have to do shit nonstop all throughout the day. And it's already 5 o'clock. God, the day goes by so fast.
Yeah, the day went by quick.
Really quick.
The next day.
Good morning, YouTube. It's Wednesday, December 28th. Today's going to suck.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
So I have to do some really annoying business stuff today, so I'm gonna be on the phone a lot. Not excited about this. And then I just sitting here trying to get my day started, and Meg comes in and he's like, hey, Otis stepped in a pile of dog shit and he's running around in the house, so like he's got dog shit on his feet. So then like you try and get the dog to go outside and you're like, come here, and he's like, no, I don't want to come here, I want to run. And so finally I get him outside and then have to like scrub his feet with paper towels and stuff to get the dog shit off his feet. Yeah, that's how today's going. It is a dog shit stepped in kind of day already. It's only 9:09 a.m. Anyway, hopefully the day gets better. We'll see. We'll see how these phone calls go. So, yeah. All right, still in the office. It's now 11:15 a.m. Sadly, I was not able to get a hold of the people I needed to on the telephone today, so we might be punting that business stuff until tomorrow. But I did finish some other business stuff I needed to. Just crap, boring stuff that is just part of running a business and I hate doing. So I decided, all right, I'm going to start editing. So I'm editing the vlog from December 25th, or no, 6th. It was the day after Christmas. There you go. Yeah. So I just finished that first pass. So like I always do, my editing method, I guess, is I do a first pass going through, just cutting out anything I don't like, anything I don't want in there. Then I normalize the audio. Then I do a second pass to make sure the audio has been normalized correctly, adjusting the audio segments that I like are too quiet or whatever, which admittedly this camera and this microphone are hard to work with from the audio perspective. Like my main camera, which I'm not sure I'm gonna, like, I guess I could use this for vlogging. It's just, it's a big camera and I'm trying it with the GoPros. I'm kind of like, this way I can just like throw it in my bag or whatever, and it's just with me. So it's all kind of an experiment and evolving, and I'm sure some of you noticed like the dead cat was visible in some of the other vlogs, so I stopped using the dead cat, even though that means we're gonna have wind noise on the microphone, but it is what it is. Anyway, so I do a second pass, normalizing the audio, kind of making sure everything's good, get rid of any extra things I don't like, and then usually I'll do like a final pass, just to make sure everything's happy, and then render it. Now, somewhere in there I gotta find a thumbnail. Usually my personal preference is I try and always use a thumbnail from a screenshot in the actual video, because I figure that's more true to the video. That's not always the case, but sometimes. Another trick I do is I actually apply a 0.05 second transition between each frame on the audio. So if I zoom in, there, now you can see 0.06, whatever. Anyway, it's super short, and the reason is that audio transition prevents popping. So if you've ever edited videos and you have two different sounds being cut at the same time, it creates a pop in the videos. Master! So if you listen, it's really common on YouTubers because I don't think they know about this trick. So if you listen to YouTubers' videos and when you see a hard cut, a lot of times you'll hear a pop. That's because of that. So anyway, that's tips from me from lots and lots of editing experience. So anyway, we're gonna get this edited and then move on to something else. Alex, our friend who is buying the 458 Eternia, supposedly might be driving here today to pick up the car from California. He was supposed to fly in, and then I asked him if he was flying in, and his response yesterday was, "Oh, we're driving, and we might be there tomorrow night." So I don't know. Maybe he's going to be here. Maybe he's not. The life I live, right? Just random people. Oh, I'm showing up to buy a car, and I'm probably staying here at my house. Whatever. Okay, I don't care. So I guess that might happen. But let's get this edited and grab some lunch. All right, so I'm sitting here and I just got an order, gonna ship it. So again, part of the work we do. Got the video rendered, so we need to upload it to YouTube and to Facebook and to my website, or at least I just link it from the website to the YouTube. So yeah, even once you're done editing, you're not done. There's still like 10 more minutes of work per video. So I gotta create thumbnail, do all that stuff, come up with a title. All right, it's 5. Just kind of winding down the day. Do you not want to be in the video? Okay. Okay. Hi, Meg.
Hello. I'm preparing Dan's salad.
Oh no! Clunk. Sad man.
Oh, he's getting hungry and
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
Megan made a
pot roast.
which is in the oven. Smelling glorious.
You can see it when I.
Yeah, we'll pull it out in a minute, and yeah, we'll pull it out. Actually, it was 70 something degrees. It's still 72 degrees out, so we took the little man out there and just wandering around the yard. The dogs were having a grand old time playing in the yard. You know, not too often you get to enjoy a beautiful 70-degree day in December.
Sad panda.
Sad man, need to help him.
He's hungry.
Yeah, we'll come back in a minute.
I mean, you can't see the pot roast.
Yeah, it's under the.
Yeah, so we'll take it out and then we show them.
Okay, sure. Oh, sweet mother of God. So good. So good. And then you get the sauce. Yeah. All right. Going to bed. We're lame. Go to bed early here. Dogs are all content. You're a good boy. Yeah. You can come sleep in the bed. You're a good boy too. Yeah. Sit. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You didn't sit though. That was very good. Sit. Sit. Good job, Odie. You're a good boy. You're both good boys. All right, YouTube. See you in the next one.